What's up YouTube, it's Aaron with Siegfried's Motorworks, doing things a little different today. We have our 2014 Ram 1500. We call it ChiChi around the shop. At any rate, this is a two-wheel drive, regular cab truck. Right now the back end is lowered 2 inches already. We did that right after we got it. Today we're going to be putting some wheel spacers on and also doing a front lowering kit. I'm going to put some pictures before and after just to show you what the difference is with the wheel spacers and as well as the height difference, but you can take a look here now and see with the stock wheels on. These are the 20-inch wheels that come stock on the express package. No poke on them at all out of the box, but hopefully with a set of wheel spacers we're going to change that up. Next time we see you, this truck will be sitting a little bit lower and a little bit wider. We finished up the installation on the front lowering springs as well as put 2-inch wheel spacers on. These are HUB CENTRIC wheel spacers from Supreme Suspension. You can get Bora or Supreme. You're just going to pay more for the Bora, but Kyle can take. There it is, before and after. Again, I'm going to put photos up on top here that will show you how everything looks before and after 2-inch wheel spacer installation on a stock wheel. Again, these are the 20s. This is an express package with the black appearance group Ram 1500. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video.